Betong Oceans.
The optimal temperature less than 100 keV, but in fact, break-even in helium-3 starts to be possible over 10 keV, and that's a really exciting result that we think opens up the parameter space for how you would operate a thermonuclear fusion generator in the future. Today, we went over the fundamental relationships in a field reverse configuration, described both equilibrium as well as adiabatic compression. We were able to do a deep dive into radial profiles.
Adiabatic compression.
And comparing both advanced theoretical models.
David Kickley ng Helion Energy Company explaining his fusion energy scheme using Polaris reactor.
This model is a very good model and is a conservative model for the internal profile of an FRC.
Using FRC field reverse configuration plasma.